national weather statement for the following area in New Jersey, Hudson, and the following areas in New York. Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Northern Queens, and Northern Nassau. Strong thunderstorm will impact Bronx, Hudson, Manhattan, Northwestern Nassau, Queens, and Westchester counties. At 6:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near East Village, or near Midtown Manhattan, and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm will be near LaGuardia Airport by 6:20 p.m., near Flushing by 6:25 p.m., near Whitestone by 6:30 p.m., near City Island by 6:35 p.m., near Sam's Point by 6:45 p.m., near Glen Cove by 6:50 p.m. People in Bronx, Hudson, Manhattan, Northwestern Nassau, Queens, and Westchester counties, including Midtown Manhattan, East Village, Lower East Side, Soho, Hoboken, Union City, Upper West Side, Long Island City, Central Park, and Astoria, should monitor the weather situation closely. Listen for possible warnings, and be prepared to take appropriate action should severe weather threaten. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, small hail, and winds up to 40 miles per hour are expected with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter immediately.